children, welcome back. View. With the task view virtually desktop features, you can finally spread out all the applications that you are working on for a various projects. For example, on each desktop, you can have the application and the document parting to a particular task. When you need to jump from one task to another, you just switch the desktop, then you are ready to go back to your previous task. You just switch back to that desktop and everything that you are working with the right there on the screen waiting for you. No minimize and maximize window to get back work. Each desktop has its own taskbar that display only those applications that are on that desktop. It is very efficient system and it is definitely allow you to move or more organized to the access task view and create a new desktop. Just click it button on the taskbar. Next, click the new desktop button. You will then see the thumbnail preview on the new desktop labeled desktop 2 appears along the skill desktop labeled desktop 1. In the user interface, then you can click on any application among any open application and work on it. Searching a file or a folder. If you want to search a file or a folder in your computer, then you will take the steps as shown here. Open the File Explorer from the Start menu. If you know the disk, otherwise click the This PC button, then type the file or a folder name that you want to search. For example, we can search the final project 2016 and 2017 folder. Typing its name on the search box after hitting the enter key for some time the search will be completed. The file or a folder will appear on the screen. Wildcards. Wildcards are the symbol you can use when you don't know the exactly what you are looking for, but can almost guess. There are the two wildcards supported to the Windows search as string and question mark. Wildcards as string searching for unknown string. Using a string allow you to replace a string of the text. This is often usually if you know what kind of file you are looking for, but don't know where it is. For example, if we search the image string JPG, then all the instance of the image file starting with image and ending with JPG will be shown. Wildcard as question mark searching for unknown character. Simply the wildcard question mark lets you to replace it for any character in a search. This means that if you are looking for a file and you are not sure how it's spelled, you can simply subtitle the question mark for the character you don't know. For example, if you have confusion that it is meeting or a meaning, you can try a wildcard search for string me question mark ing dot docs. Now various file formats. In the computer, a file format is the layout of a file in the term how the data within the file is organized. A program that uses in a data in a file must be labeled to recognize possible access data within the file. For example, the program that you are recalls a web browser is able to process and display the file in HTML file format so that it appears as a web page. but it cannot be display a file in a format designed for Microsoft Excel program. A particular file is often indicated as part of a file name by a file name extension suffix. There are many different file formats as they are different programs to process the file. A few of the more common file formats are Docs, Microsoft Word, Docs, Microsoft Word 2007 document, HTML, hypertext markup open in any web browser, Math, MDB, Microsoft Access database open in Microsoft Access, PDF, protocol document format opens in Approach GD, PPT, Microsoft PowerPoint presentation open in Microsoft PowerPoint, SWF, Micromedia Flash format file open in a Flash player, TXT, text document opens in Notepad or WordPad, XLS, Microsoft Excel spreadsheets open in MS Excel, BMP, window bitmap opens in MS Paint or any photo editor or a photo viewer, CDR, Crawl Draw vector drawing file opens in a Crawl Draw, GIF, compressed graphic interchange opens in any photo editor or photo viewer or a movie player if it is an animate file. JPG, JPEG, complaint image opens in any photo editor or a photo viewer. MP3, compressed audio file open in media player. WAV, window audio file opens in media player. AIV, window video file open in media player. MP4, most commonly used to store video and audio file. RAR, WinRAR compressed archive opens in WinRAR or WinZip.
Now our chapter got finished. I hope that you all understood this chapter. Thank you.